Yeah, it's just this side. If you keep it 3/4 throttle on this side.
The old boy lives around by you? Do I know?
Closed itself.
Yeah. Yeah, we were looking at what he were going to buy.
I think we might be slowing down a little bit already. Mind you, I'm not sure about the battery, and